girls, here we are starting division. This is exciting. This lesson is called Size of Equal Groups. The essential question is, how can you model a division problem to find how many in each group? Let's unlock the problem. Here we have our problem. Hector has 12 rocks from Onondaga Cave State Park. He puts an equal number of his rocks in each of 3 boxes. How many rocks are in each box? So we can see from this problem that he has 12 altogether, and he's separating them into equal groups. When you multiply, you put equal groups together, but when you divide, you separate into equal groups. And that's what I was just saying. Hector has these 12 rocks, and he wants to separate them into equal groups. You can divide to find the number in each group. Step 1, everybody, is to get 12 counters. I need you to pause the video and go get at least 12 counters of something that you can use as manipulatives. I suggest getting something that you can snack on afterwards. It's always fun to play with your food, but ask your parents just to be sure. All right, you have 30 seconds to go get 12 counters. Are you ready? Set, go. Great. I hope you got something to snack on. I'm hungry. I wish I had gotten snacks, but instead I just have these wonderful little red dots. So you get yours out in front of you. Make sure that you have 12 counters. Now that you have your 12 counters, let's look at step 2. Draw 3 circles, place 1 counter at a time in each circle until all 12 counters are used. So if you have a piece of paper and you can draw on it, that'd be great. If not, just make sure that you're putting your counters into 3 separate groups. We're going to do 1 at a time because these groups must be equal. So there we have 3 groups with 1 in each, but we have to keep separating into equal groups until we have used all of our counters. Now we have 3 in each group, and now we're going to put our last ones in the groups. Now we've put them in 3 equal groups, and we've used all 12 counters. How many counters are in each group? Good, there are 4. So there are 4 rocks in each box. 12 counters divided into 3 equal groups is 4. Let's look at another problem. Madison has 15 rocks. She puts an equal number of rocks in each of 5 boxes. How many rocks are in each box? Step 1 says to draw 5 squares to show the 5 boxes. So draw any 5 squares. Squares have 4 sides, and they're all the same length. Mine might not be perfect, but that's okay. So if you have a piece of paper, go ahead and draw the 5 squares to represent the 5 boxes. And you're going to need a few more counters, aren't you? We used 12 the last time. Again, I hope you pick something that you can snack on. Make sure you have 15. Even if you have to pause the video, make sure you have 15 counters. Now, we're going to draw 1 counter in each square to show the rocks. Continue drawing 1 counter at a time in each box until all 15 counters are drawn. If you have your 15 counters, you move them into those 5 equal groups. I'm going to draw mine into these 5 equal groups. We have 1 in there, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's 5 counters. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to use 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 counters in 5 equal groups. How many counters are in each group? 3. So there are 3 rocks in each box. Good job. All right, now you have to use your 8 counters because John has 8 counters. He makes 4 equal groups. Draw a picture to show the number of counters in each group. All right, guys, are you ready? How many groups are we going to draw? That's right, 4. 1, 2, 3. Sorry that my circles are not the right size. Oh, look, that one's really tiny. Let's fix that one. Let's make it bigger. All right, there we go. We have 4 groups. We have 8 counters to put in these 4 groups. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now start all over again, make them equal. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 divided into 4 equal groups is how many in each group? 2. Good job. Are you ready to try one more? Yeah? You guys are so smart. One more. This time I want you to try this one on your own, and then we'll check it together. All right. John now has 10 counters. He makes 2 equal groups. Draw a picture to show the number of counters in each group. You do it now, and then we'll check it together. Pause the video if you need to. All right, let's check it together. He makes 2 equal groups, so I'm going to make 2 big circles, hopefully about the same size. Well, not too bad. Good. And he has 10 counters, so we're going to put 1 counter in each group and to keep them equal until we get to 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are in each group? That's right, 5. So 10 divided into 2 equal groups is 5. Great job, guys. I think you are ready to go on and do your blog. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.